Hello everybody and welcome to this short video where I'm going to speak about the importance of Om meditation and about the 2020, the new year that's coming. It is very important to meditate and to chant Om for different reasons, but specifically it is very important because of our emotional traumas. So when we chant Om, inside of us the energy is moving, and in this way we can release from energy perspective emotional traumas or belief patterns. So 1 hour of chanting Om has the power of years and years and years of different exercises that we are doing. So I would strongly advise you to do this Om chanting meditation, and when we do in a group it is even more powerful. Now specifically for this moment, because we are almost going to 2020, it's a new gate of energy, a new, completely new wave of energy is going to come through us, so it's really good to do this meditation. Namaste.